Welcome back. 3 more tips to help you with your Revit family content creation. Tips 10 and 11 are important initial steps for content creation. And tip 12 looks at what the difference is between cuttable and non-cuttable categories. Enjoy. Tip number 10. Always dimension your parameters to your reference planes. We'll start with a furniture family. The origin point to be the back center of our furniture. So we'll place 3 reference planes in the reference level view. We'll dimension them. We'll make the width equal from the center with an overall dimension and a overall width dimension and a depth dimension. Let's assign parameters to these dimensions. I'll select the width, create a new family parameter called width, leave it as type, go OK, and select a depth. Create a new parameter and call it depth. Once we've done that, we can now create the object. We'll just create a simple rectangle cube. The important thing here, the object is locked to the reference planes. We'll finish with that. And let's go to the front view. We'll create a reference plane here as well and give the height a dimension and assign a parameter to that called height. Once we've done that, we select the object, grab the top, point it to the reference planes and lock that, and just make sure also that it's actually locked to the reference level as well. Tip number 11. Always remember to flex your model. To do the flexing, we go to the Properties button and look at the Family Types property. So here we can we can call this a new type. So that's the type there. To flex the model, we just need to change the dimensions here. So if we change it to 700 and hit apply, we should see the changes happening. Yep. So which means that the depth works fine. We can check the height. Let's make it 900. Yep, that seems to work fine. And we'll make the width, let's say 1200. Yeah, so everything seems to be working fine there. So just remember that flexing the model allows you to catch any places where you haven't attached the model to your reference planes properly. Tip number 12, understanding the difference between cuttable and non-cuttable categories. If we have a look at object styles, you will notice that under Entourage, the cut line weight is shaded. So anytime you see a shaded patch in the cut section, means that category is non-cuttable. And any category that has got line weights in the cut section means that it's cuttable. So let's have a look at how they behave in a section. On the plan view, I have 4 bulls downloaded from Revit City. The first 2 are generic models, and the second 2 are from the Entourage category. I've separated the 2, so if we have a look at the way that generic models behave in a section view under section 1, it is cut through. If we have a look at section 2, which shows the generic model on the left hand side and a Entourage model on the right hand side. So you can see the Entourage model is not cut at all. So that's the difference. So when you're working with your family categories and you're finding that it's not behaving as it should or not cutting as it should, make sure that it's in a correct category. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or any suggestions. We'll see you in the next video.